Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. If you've ever wanted to manage your Ton assets more smoothly or access all your tools in one secure spot, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link Tonkeeper with your Telegram wallet, and you'll have a better sense of how these two platforms work together, all without confusion or wasted time. So let's get started right away. First things first, open Telegram and head to the search bar at the top. Type in Tonkeeper. You'll see a list of options, but the one you want has a blue check mark next to its name. That check mark tells you this is the official, verified bot, so you don't have to worry about getting caught up with a fake or copycat account. Always double-check for that little badge. It's a quick security step that matters in the crypto world. Next, you'll want to start a conversation with Tonkeeper. Simply tap the Start button. This just lets the bot know that you're ready to interact, kind of like ringing a doorbell before entering. You might see a welcome message or menu pop up. That's totally normal. This part only takes a moment, and if it doesn't respond right away, don't panic. Sometimes bots are a little slow if they're busy. Once you're inside, look for the Keeper menu. It should be visible either as a button at the bottom or in the main menu options. Tap it to access Tonkeeper's wallet features. This menu is designed as your dashboard for handling transactions, balances, and wallet connections. So think of it as the control center for everything you do inside Tonkeeper. In the menu, select Tonkeeper Wallet. Now you'll see a big choice. You can either create a brand new wallet or continue with an existing wallet. Since we want to connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper, you'll choose Existing Wallet. Creating a new wallet is for folks just starting out, but if you already have Ton in your Telegram wallet, connecting is the way to go. It keeps your funds together and makes management a breeze. Now you'll have to paste your secret key. This key is unique to your wallet. Think of it as the long, complex password that proves you own your funds and lets Tonkeeper access them securely. If you're not sure how to find your secret key, don't worry. In most wallets, you can find it by going to Settings or Export Options. When you paste it into Tonkeeper, make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, and always keep your key private. Never share it with anyone. Even the official bots don't need to see your full key in chat. After you paste your key, Tonkeeper will ask you to choose which wallet you want to link. If you have several wallets, pick your Telegram one from the list. If there's only one, you're set. This just helps make sure you're connecting the wallet you want, especially if you're someone who manages multiple assets. Once you've chosen, hit Confirm. Tonkeeper will run a quick check and finish linking your Telegram wallet. Don't worry if this part takes a few seconds. Sometimes syncing accounts just needs a moment. When it's done, you're connected. You now have access to Tonkeeper's features, all synced with your Telegram wallet, making transferring, trading, and monitoring your Ton easier than ever. And that's all it takes to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and drop any questions or experiences you have in the comments below. I love hearing how these tools are working for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and clear tutorials on crypto wallets, blockchain, and digital security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.